we are in Urban Kisan, situated at Manikonda. So this is the showroom, and we have the owner of the shop. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good, good.
Okay.
So here we have the hydroponic system, where by the name you can understand we grow everything with the help of water. So
Okay.
the main ingredient and main part is only water with nutrition mix.
Okay.
So whatever you are looking at here, whether it is palak, whether it is all the ingredients, this is all organic, without chemical, without fertilizers.
Okay.
Yes, and if you look at here, the size of lettuce and everything, you can see the growing pots is very small, and require very less amount of water and very less soil. So
Okay.
your expense is nothing,
Okay.
but zero,
Okay.
and you can harvest 24/7 whenever you want for your things. And according to price also very reasonable.
Okay.
Because the thing which you are eating, it is all chemical free.
Okay.
And per head, if you think 14 rupees, and other markets it is more than 16 rupees.
So what you're saying is,
Yes.
this we can reuse it. I mean, so like we cut it this
So
and
we cut it, you take out the mud, you
Okay.
can put the fresh pot, and you can grow your own things. again.
okay. So once the customer takes this, he can again
Yes.
regrow it.
Yes, and you can see the amount of soil also, very small.
Okay.
The
Perfect.
main part is only water, so
Okay.
take care of water very well.
So this is completely organic,
Complete-
steroids and the pesticide
Yes,
free.
No pesticide.
Okay. Show us more things. What you have?
So we have here bok choy, which is used for salad.
Okay.
And this is Italian basil, purple one.
Okay.
And this side we have palak. So you can see the size of palak. Either you will get it anywhere. So let us know that this size of palak you won't get anywhere.
Okay. And what is the price of this palak?
This is 250 grams.
Can you just remove it once so that I can show
Which
this
one?
to viewers? Yeah, the palak one.
And this one you can grow in your. See, the palak is, that's it.
Okay.
That is the soil which is
Used.
yes.
Okay.
And you can grow in your kitchen as well.
Okay.
And no necessary light is required. With the help of bulb as well you can grow. So that is what we have here. And this side we have kale, which is very good for juice, morning juice.
This one?
Kale, yes.
Okay.
It is very healthy for your heart, blood purification.
Okay.
This is gongura, sorry, arugula, which is kind of people make here curry kind of thing.
Okay.
Yes.
That is your whole setup, right?
Yes, that is the whole setup, hydroponics. So
Can we go
grow
in?
there? No, that
This
is
one?
actually the restricted area.
Okay.
So we grow there and we put it here as well, everything.
So what is the required temperature?
All right.
For growing all those things?
So that is all inside.
So what do you call this place as?
This is just a like baby, like if I tell, it's a nursery.
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 Okay. Okay.
And here we have salad where we grow everything inside and we put it all fresh items here. and
Okay. Perfect, man.
So light working here.
So all these vegetables are organic, grown almost here itself, and they're also serving very tasty and healthy salads. A very fine concept in Manikonda. This is a very new concept. We have never seen this kind of thing in Manikonda before. You see this? They have the menu board. People can come here for their salads who are very healthy conscious. Fine and the best place for the the health conscious people. Let me show you from outside how this shop looks on. So this is Manikonda main road. And that's how the shop looks from outside. Urban Kisan, situated at Manikonda main roads. Okay, thank you so much, viewers.